Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing from the Drew Barrymore Beautiful Collection her Power Extract Blender System. It has patent pending Precision Sense blade technology, auto sense technology for a consistent blend. Effortlessly crushes ice, powerful 700-watt motor, and 6-tip blade system. 3 speeds and 4 preset programs for countless options. 50-ounce Triton BPA-free jar with spout for no mess pouring. It blends smoothies and shakes, chopped salsa, and more. Blend and go. Blend directly in the 20-ounce single-serve cup. It says add ingredients while blending. Includes removable 2-ounce measuring cap. Blend and go. 20-ounce single-serve cup with no drippy, sippy lid. 50-ounce Triton BPA-free jar with spout for no mess pouring. 3 speeds and 4 preset programs, low, high pulse, and ice crush, chop, milkshake, smoothie, and clean. Additional features, powerful 700-watt blending system, dishwasher safe parts for hassle-free cleaning, high performance ice crushing, all metal to metal drive, touch activated display, blends 8 6-ounce frozen drinks. It's patent pending Precision Sense blade technology, auto sense technology for a consistent blend. Easily transforms into a personal blender, blend directly into cup. Countless blending options, 3 speeds including pulse, and 4 preset programs. The color of this blender is white icing. Okay guys, so now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, this is everything that came in the box. You have your card to register your product, you have your instruction manual, and you also have a quick start guide. So here you have your motor base, you have your 50-ounce Triton jar, and you have your 20-ounce to-go jar, and also your jar lid. Okay guys, on your jar lid, it has a leak-proof ring, and also you can detach it from the middle. This little measuring cup is up to 2 ounces. Our 50-ounce Triton jar, as you can see, is trimmed in gold, the handle. It also has the gold B, and the 20-ounce to-go cup is also trimmed in gold, and it has a straw. The lid also fits nice and tight once put on. Okay guys, as you can see, it has a touch activated display control panel. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the power button. It says low, high, pulse, chop, milkshake, ice crush, smoothie, auto clean. So if I press the pulse, that's that option, and it's actually not that loud. I'm going to try high. This is the low function. Okay guys, so I'm going to be making a video very soon. I'm going to make an immune boosting juice with this blender. That way I can give you guys a good review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.